Minimal music is a compositional approach born in 1960s America that centers on repetition and gradual change. Short motifs and simple harmonies are obsessively repeated, while phasing, metric shifts, additive/subtractive processes, drones, and ostinati slowly transform the sonic landscape. Key figures include Steve Reich, Philip Glass, and Terry Riley. Touchstones are piano phase, music for 18 musicians, and in C. Influenced by gamelan, African music, and Satie/Cage, its amplified clarity and steady pulse expand time perception. It has shaped film scores, ambient, post-rock, and techno, and today blends polyrhythms, large-scale forms, chamber writing, and electroacoustics. Listening hinges on tracking minute changes. Performance demands precise rhythm and stamina. It is an aesthetics of generating rich difference from scant materials.